Hello, CS Colors. First of all, Happy Navratri to you all, and I hope you all are doing well. So, children, today we are going to do chapter number 33 from our English Grammar Magic book. Children, take out page number 121, chapter number 33, Interjections. Children, many of you have used these words, oops, wow, hey, what are all these? Yes, these are interjections. Let's understand this briefly. Look at these examples, children. Shh, the baby is sleeping. Oh, how did you lose that book? Yes, children. These red colored highlighted words are interjections. When we want to express our feelings, our emotion within one word, that word is known as an interjection. Interjections are words used for expressing sudden feelings or emotions. They express feelings of joy, sadness, excitement, surprise, fear, or disgust. We often use an exclamation mark after each and every interjection. Yes, children, when we want to express our feelings, our emotion within one word, that word is known as an interjection. And we use an exclamation mark after these words. Let's understand this with few more examples. Oh, used for expressing sadness or concern. See the example, children. Oh, your grandfather met with an accident? Hush. This interjection is used to make somebody quiet. See the example? Hush. The teacher is coming. Ah. Used to express understanding, pleasure, pain, grief, surprise, or the fact that you have noticed something. For example, ah, I have a stomach ache. Ah, the baby is lovely. Children, an interjection is often only a sound or a noise. When you want to express your feelings or emotion through a sound or a noise, and that sound or that noise tell us what the person is feeling. Hurrah! This interjection is used for expressing happiness or joy. For example, hooray! India won the cricket match. Ouch! It is used for expressing sudden pain or embarrassment. For example, ouch! You stepped on my toe. Alas! It is used for expressing grief, pity, or concern. Children, when you want to show your feelings of sadness, at that time you can use this interjection. For example, alas, all our homes have been washed away by the flood. Oops. Yes, this interjection is used for saying sorry. For example, oops, I'm sorry, I dropped your books. Wow, the rainbow looks beautiful. Yes, children, this interjection is used for expressing wonder or surprise. Yippee, we are going on a picnic. Yes, this interjection is used to express happiness, excitement, or great satisfaction. Yuck, there is a fly in my soup. Yes, children, this interjection is used for expressing disgust. When you don't like something at that time, you can use this interjection. Yuck. Bravo, you played well. Yes, children, this interjection is used for expressing sudden praise. Children, an interjection may be made up of more than one word or sound. For example, ho ho, that was a good joke. Here, ho ho means when you want to represent deep laughter, at that time you can use this interjection. Tut tut, you should not have done that. Now here tut means this interjection is used when you want to express disapproval or annoyance. Aha, I know that strange guy which we saw yesterday. Now here, aha, it is used when you agree with or when you show understanding of something that had just been said. At that time you can use this interjection. Okay children, see page number 121, exercise A. Here are some interjections. Make sentences of your own using these interjections. Children, here five interjections are given and you have to use these interjections in your own sentences. For example, the first one is shh. Now, here I have made a sentence. The play is about to start. Now, the second one is wow. The third one is yippee. So, try to do all this by your own. See page number 122 children. Here again exercise A is given. Match the interjection in column A with sentences in column B to make meaningful sentences. But first of all make a change here. Do it here exercise B. Okay. Now you have to match the interjections with the sentences. The first one is ah. Yes, the correct option is D. Ah, that cool breeze feels great. The second one is whoosh. Yes, the correct option is E. Shh. The play is about to begin. Now, children, try to match these interjections with the correct and meaningful sentences. I will be sending you the notes. Bye bye. Good day.